Forget about smartwatches and headphones when Amazon Prime Day arrives. This year's true gems are made to last. I've compiled a list of 20 essential Doomsday gadgets, ranging from emergency shelters to tactical knives, that could save your life in the event of a crisis. Because the #1 deal could be your biggest survival game-changer, pay attention to the very end. All product links are in the description. Number 20. Smith & Wesson M&P. Originally $37, now only about $32, with a massive 15% discount. Seize it before it disappears. Strong, quick, and secure, this knife is designed for the daring. With MAGIC assistance, its 4034 high-carbon stainless steel blade opens quickly, and its aluminum handle and liner lock provide a firm grip. It's your go-to EDC and survival partner because it's small, reliable, and comes with a glass breaker. Number 19. Water Drop Water Filter. Now, pure water anywhere for only $30 with a 30% less. The initial price was $43. This water filter transforms survival into confidence when access to clean water becomes a luxury. Its 5-stage filtration system provides safe, fresh-tasting water wherever you are by eliminating dirt, chlorine, and dangerous particles as small as 0.1 microns. Because staying hydrated means staying alive, it is designed for camping, travel, or emergencies, and has a 1.5-gallon bag, 700 milliliters per minute flow, and a recyclable backwash design. Number 18. Zune Lotu Tactical Shovel. Now only at around $60, originally $74. A huge 20% discount for real survivalists. Can you picture yourself in the middle of nowhere, miles away from your best ally? This tactical shovel, built from high-carbon steel, this 18-in-1 survival beast chops, digs, saws, and defends. Its sleek black design offers military-grade toughness while folding up small. This shovel is more than just equipment. It's your metal lifeline, whether you're hiking, camping, or dealing with unforeseen circumstances. Number 17. Fire Starter Tool. Previously priced at about $13, now only $10, take advantage of this 20% off survival essential before it sells out. After the storm hits and the rain pours, this fire starter never fails. Waterproof, long-lasting, and designed to withstand thousands of ignitions, it brings your campfire to life with just one spark. This 2-pack fire starter is your key to warmth, light, and survival assurance, whether you're camping out in the open or lost in the wilderness. Number 16. Survival Flashlight. Take advantage of a 20% discount on this powerful flashlight, which was previously $40, but is now only $32. Introducing this tactical flashlight, which combines innovative power with a durable design. It can adjust to any circumstance, from roadside emergencies to late-night hikes, thanks to its 14 different light modes. Its blazing 4,000-lumen beam cuts through the darkness, while the waterproof, impact-resistant body ensures it thrives in any terrain. Your gadgets are kept alive by an integrated power bank, allowing you to travel without interruption. Number 15. Emergency Sleeping Bag. Originally $20, now discounted to $16. A substantial 20% reduction on your essential survival item. Because the wilderness is unforgiving, this emergency sleeping bag was created. Constructed from incredibly durable mylar, it retains your body heat to keep you alive in the face of wind, rain, and cold. It's ideal for hikers, campers, and doomsday preppers alike because it's small, waterproof, and instantaneous. This little bag offers a lot of protection when things get deadly. Number 14. IGPS port. Save a ton of money. From $130 to $96. A 26% reduction designed for people who expect accuracy and efficiency. Take your survival to the next level with this offline GPS. Its 2.4-inch touchscreen, global satellite coverage, and offline map navigation let you explore any route with confidence. No matter if you're conquering trails or training for speed, real-time tracking and 130-plus data metrics keep every ride smart, smooth, and connected. Your ultimate cycling command center. Number 13. SOF Tourniquet. Military-grade life-saving equipment that was previously $34 is now only $24, a 29% reduction. Survival in an emergency depends on seconds. Soldiers and medical professionals around the world trust this tourniquet because it has been proven effective in combat. Even under intense pressure, it quickly stops severe bleeding and is designed to be used with one hand. Constructed from durable, weatherproof materials, it is dependable, small, and American-made. This is the only tourniquet that works when lives are on the line. Number 12. Jetboil Minimo Stove. Save 20% and cook like a pro in the wild with this deal, which was originally $165, but is now only about $132. Hunger strikes, the air grows chilly, and the sun sets below the ridge. This stove, your little kitchen in the woods, is out of your pack when you unzip it. Dinner is ready in a matter of minutes, the water is boiling, and steam is rising. The Minimo's precise heat control and small size make every outdoor meal feel like home, whether it's hot soup after a storm or morning coffee on the trail. Number 11. OLIGHT Perrin 3 Headlamp. Elite outdoor lighting was previously $90, but is now only $63, a 30% reduction. With this headlamp, you can confidently venture into the dark. This headlamp transforms any nighttime mission into daylight with its 3,000 lumens of brightness. Built to withstand the most demanding conditions, it features a red light mode for stealth, smart proximity sensors for safety, and a sturdy waterproof design. When the lights go out, Perrin 3 keeps you unstoppable, whether you're on duty, hiking, or camping. Number 10. Malo-Me Sleeping Bags. Enjoy a comfortable 15% discount on high-end camping comfort, now only at around $39 instead of $45. Inside this sleeping bag, warmth envelops you like home, even as the fire fades, the forest becomes quiet, and the night chill sets in. It is long-lasting, waterproof, and made for rough trails and chilly nights. It is ideal for families, children, and adventurers because it is lightweight and insulated from 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Get a good night's sleep, dream deeply, and wake up prepared for another outdoor day. Number 9. Surviveware First Aid Kit. For true outdoor survivors, that's a huge 27% off, now only $36, down from about $50. This first aid kit is your lifeline when the wild becomes unpredictable. Lightweight, completely waterproof, and prepared for anything, from abrasions to storms, it was created by adventurers for adventurers. Essentials are kept organized for quick action in each labeled compartment. This kit guarantees your safety, stability, and readiness for any emergency, whether you're kayaking, camping, or dealing with the unexpected. Number 8. Paracord Rope. Get it now for only $8. It was originally at $10, which is 20% off for real explorers. Survival in the wild depends on dependability, and this paracord rope is designed to meet that need. This rope's 12 triple-strand polyester fibers give each strand strength, flexibility, and durability. Use it to tie shelters, fasten equipment, or make lanyards and bracelets. This is the go-to rope for backyard projects and mountain hikes. Number 7. Emergency Food Ration Bars. Get yours for about $28 instead of $34. Don't pass up this life-saving 20% off offer. Imagine having the stamina to persevere even if you are miles away from civilization or stranded during a snowstorm. These emergency food ration bars are packed with multivitamin flavor, long-lasting freshness, and potent nutrition. They are designed for any survival mission, adventure, or emergency kit, and are small, light, and vacuum-sealed. Stay alive, stay fueled, and stay prepared. Number 6. Prepared Emergency Poncho. Get it now for $15 instead of $25. To keep dry and alive, that's a huge 40% off. Having nowhere to flee in a storm. Your defense against mayhem is this emergency poncho. Made with mylar developed by NASA, it blocks out wind and rain and retains 90% of your body heat. It's more than just a poncho. It's survival gear for any unforeseen situation. It's sturdy, rip-resistant, and spacious enough for your backpack. Number 5. Mallow Me Mess Kit. Your next adventure meal kit is now only $19 instead of $25, which is a 24% savings. Good gear makes the difference between struggle and satisfaction in the wild. Any campfire can be transformed into a gourmet kitchen with this mess kit. It is strong, light, and heats up quickly because it is made of non-toxic anodized aluminum. Meal after meal, you'll be prepared to cook, clean, and conquer the outdoors with 10 essential pieces neatly packaged in one small bundle. Number 4. Happy Travel Camping Tent. Your ultimate camping upgrade is now only $70 instead of $100, which is a huge 30% off. Think about your tent standing firmly against the weather, with a cool breeze and a starry sky. It takes only a few minutes to set up and is roomy enough for family comfort while still being lightweight enough for freedom when backpacking. This tent is your comfortable outdoor home away from home, thanks to its waterproof 190T polyester, mesh windows for airflow, and 20% more headroom. Number 3. Osprey Farpoint Backpack. For serious travelers on the go, this is a huge 40% off deal, now only $132 instead of $220. Adventure is a way of life, not just a place to visit. This backpack is the ideal travel companion, designed for adventurers who value comfort and toughness. With its detachable daypack, stowaway harness, and room for a 16-inch laptop, it's ideal for both mountain trails and airports. This pack, which is lightweight, durable, and cleverly designed, takes your world with you wherever you go. Number 2. Timberland PRO Survival Boots. Before it's gone, take advantage of this 30% off offer, which is now only around $116 instead of $165. With these boot, grit, and dependability are the foundation of every step's narrative. It provides warmth with thermalite insulation, waterproof protection, and a non-slip grip, making it ideal for men who take pride in their work. With comfort that lasts all day, these boots work as hard as you do, whether you're working on a job site or on the weekend. Number 1. Cold Steel Survival Hatchet. Save 36% on this hatchet, which was previously priced at $68, but is now only around $44. This hatchet provides unwavering dependability, whether in the field or on the job. It is made of 1055 carbon steel, has a razor edge and a wedge spike, and can split wood and perform tactical duties with ease. The secure X sheath protects it, and the shock-resistant handle withstands severe use. For serious outdoor enthusiasts, its 19-inch and 29-ounce weight strikes a balance between reach and power. That's a wrap on the 20 best Prime Day Doomsday deals. Don't miss out. Grab your survival gear now and be ready for anything life throws your way. Thanks for watching.